by Srimati Nirmala Panikar and Nurana Malika Setu Aditha. The first story we will be depicting is the birth of Lord Ganesha, who Parvati created from the earth as a small boy. However, Lord Shiva was not aware of this. Upon seeing a strange boy at his home, Lord Shiva became angry and cut off his head. Parvati was extremely saddened by this, and Lord Shiva placed an elephant head on him and brought him back to life. The second story we will be showing you is about Markandeya. Saint Markandeya was a devotee of Lord Shiva. When he turned 16 years old, Yama, the god of death, came to take his life. Markandeya prayed, and finally, Lord Shiva came to his rescue and saved his life.
The third story we will depict is of Kshira Sagara Mathana. To destroy the evil demons known as Asuras, Mahavishnu transformed into his feminine form of Mohini. Knowing that the evil demons wanted Amritam, the nectar of immortality, Mohini seduced them and tricked them into thinking that she would provide them the Amrita. Instead, Mohini gave all of the Amritam to the Devas and a poison to the Asuras, killing them instantly.
The fourth story we will show is called the Jaina Moksha. The Jaina, an elephant, is attacked by a crocodile. He prays to Lord Mahavishnu to come and save him. Lord Mahavishnu appears and kills the crocodile with his Sudarshana Chakra, saving the Jaina's life.
The fifth and final story we will be depicting is about Krishna. While Krishna's friends distract Yashoda and play, Krishna begins to eat mud. Yashoda soon begins to find out what Krishna is doing. She asks Krishna to open his mouth, but she refuses at first. She asks again, and what she saw astounded her. The whole universe was in his mouth.
Before the program, I request all the children and adults to stay calm and sit in your seats and enjoy the program. Thank you.
தோன்றும் முப்புறம் இழுத்து